So I think 99% of the people making investments in crypto don't understand it at all. They don't know. They don't know. It's 1% of the people who are really savvy investors. And, that can be a little scary. Because a lot of people can be putting money in there, not really understanding what they're doing, chasing the last big thing. So here's a mistake a lot of investors make in markets in general. They are chasing the last hot thing. So whenever they see something go up, they jump into it, but they jump into it just a little too late, and then it starts going down, and then everything's moving on to the next one. You shouldn't just be following the herd. If you are going to make an investment, you should do two things. Number one, if you don't have the time to really invest your time into understanding the market, understanding where things are going, understanding the risk versus reward, then you should look there right now. It's never been a better time. There are a lot of money managers out there that are placing money into crypto for people. There are ETFs now that you can buy, exchange traded funds on the public market that can get you into crypto. Now, these can be good and they can be bad. It depends on the money manager, it depends on the ETF, but that's one route to go. If you're going to go on your own, then you need to, like I said previously, I believe you need to go deep. Don't try to understand everything. Try to understand a few of the ecosystems out there and the value they offer, and then really research them and figure out where the money is going. It's always better to invest when things are moving up. Like if a coin has been flat for the past 3 years and you're thinking now is the time it's going to come back and you're going to put in money, well, forget it. That's a long shot. There's a lot of dead altcoins out there that aren't going to go anywhere. Wait until you see actual momentum and then analyze why is that momentum happening. Is it happening because Elon Musk is making a tweet? Is it happening because an institutional investor is integrating with that coin? Is it happening because the investor community is like supercharged and they're about to launch a whole new feature? And then analyze your information. Are you getting this information early? If you're getting the information ahead of other people, wow, you can make a killing, right? You can literally make a killing. It's interesting because in the stock market, we have all these rules and regulations about insider trading, getting information ahead of the public markets. But in crypto, it's the Wild West. Anything goes. There aren't these regulations. And that allows for a lot of market manipulation, a lot of pump and dump schemes where people pump out like a lot of hype around a coin. It goes way, way up. They pay for all these people to advertise and talk about it, and then they abandon it. They just sell their share. They have no stake, and they're on to the next thing. So you have to be able to distinguish what's a pump and dump and what's something that's real and sustainable. That is the key to investing, not just in crypto, but literally in any asset. I hope you enjoyed the talk. If you liked it, you can come to founderspace.com. You can check out our latest events, contact us, and see my latest books, Make Elephants Fly, Surviving a Startup, and The 5 Forces. You can also find me on all the major social networks. Just search for Founderspace.